In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Smartsheet. Highlighting text is a simple but powerful way to make important information stand out in your sheets. Whether you're tracking tasks, managing a project, or organizing data, using color helps you quickly scan and understand what needs your attention. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to apply background color to your cells so your text is clearly highlighted. First, make sure you have your Smartsheet open and you're on the sheet where you want to work. Locate the cell or group of cells that contains the text you want to highlight. You can click once on a single cell or click and drag to select multiple cells at once. Selecting the right cells before you apply color will save you time and keep your formatting consistent. Now look toward the top of the Smartsheet window in the toolbar. You'll see an icon that represents background color. It usually looks like a small paint bucket or a filled square. Go ahead and click on that background color icon. This is the main control you'll use to highlight your text. Once you click the icon, a color palette will appear. This palette contains a range of colors you can choose from. Each color fills the background of the selected cells, which makes the text inside them stand out. Take a moment to think about how you want to use color. For example, you might choose yellow for high priority items, green for completed tasks, or red for issues that need attention. Using colors consistently across your sheet will make it much easier to understand at a glance. Next, move your cursor over the color you want to use and click it. As soon as you do, the background of all the selected cells will change to that color. Your text stays the same, but it now appears on top of the colored background, effectively highlighting it. If the color doesn't look right or is too intense, you can simply click the background color icon again and choose a different shade. If you ever want to remove the highlighting, open the same color menu and look for an option like no fill or a blank color selection. Clicking that will return the cells to their default background, removing the highlight. And that's all there is to it. By selecting your cells, clicking the background color